Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? You say hi? She's like, I'm busy watching all these birds. I have just a whole flock of sparrows out this window today. And I'd open the window more, but it's a little cold out there. Y'all, I look like I have a halo. I am not an angel, I promise you. So today we're going to open one of our favorite boxes. This is Rocksbox. We love Rocksbox. All the jewelry I'm wearing actually today is from Rocksbox. I just adore it. What you do is you pay $21 a month. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry. You wear it for as long as you want, and then you send it back. If you want to keep something, you can keep it. You go on, you check out. The $21 you paid for the month is credited back to whatever you want to keep. You can get more than one box in a month depending on how quickly you send it back, but you're not going to get charged another $21. It's just $21 for the month, not for the box. So really like that. Love the pieces. They have great quality pieces, brand names that you will recognize. If you want to try Rocksbox, I do have a code below. It is Gina P BFF 45, and that will get you your first set free. So try it out risk-free. If you don't like it, you can always send it back and cancel. I appreciate it if you do. Every time y'all use any of my links, it does help me keep bringing you content. So thank you so very much for that. Now we're gonna open the box. If I can find what I did with it. Hey, Miss Cali Cat. Because I got some stuff sitting about. You know I always do. All right, here's our bag. They send it in this resealable bag, so you don't even have to worry about a bag. You don't have to worry about tape. They send you a mailer that you just plop on top of the, not a mailer, a label that you just plop on top of the previous label, and that way you can take it back to the post office. They come in these cute little boxes. I normally do send these back unless I keep all 3 of my pieces, just because I think it protects the jewelry through the mail. Hey, gorgeous. And then you have care on the back. Look, it says Merry. Oh my goodness, we're getting so close to Christmas. I'm not ready for Christmas, y'all. Not ready at all. Ooh, I see a Kendra Scott, another Kendra Scott, and a Rudiment. So they each come in individual baggies. And then I've got my price sheet, and on the back is that label that I was telling you about. So, Kelly, you want to hold that for me? We're going to open this stuff up. What are you doing, you silly girl? Kendra Scott. And it's the necklace I wanted. I saw this right before Halloween. I thought it would be adorable to wear at Halloween. And so I requested it, and I didn't get it. And I was rather disappointed that I didn't get it. But it looks like I've gotten it this time. And y'all, you know, I'm so bad about keeping it. This is the Kendra Scott Elisa cat pendant necklace in gold and black druzzy. It's $68. Let me see if I can get it close enough to where y'all can see it with Callie in my lap. Kind of got you far away for this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? See that druzzy in there? So it is textured. Let me see if I can hold it where you can see the back, how it is set. Isn't that cute? But yes, it's just that classic Kendra Scott. Okay, instead of having to try and hook it in a different place to make it adjustable, this one slides. So you can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Is that not cool? Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Let's put it on. Let me take this one off. Y'all, I wanted to wear this little bitty dainty cross that my husband gave me one time for our anniversary, and I couldn't get it latched, and I finally got aggravated and just picked a different necklace. But I was wearing my face shirt, so I thought the cross would be really cute. Let me pull you forward. It'll be easier for me to show you the jewelry if you're a little closer. You can see it now. And here is the clasp. It's got that classic Kendra Scott there and there, and then here is the slide. That is pretty cool. Y'all, I want to keep this one already. Look how cute. Is that not perfect for me? Oh, I just adore it. All right, this is as loose as it goes on me. But you could tighten it and make a choker out of it if you wanted to. But I don't do the chokers. That's mainly why right there. Very cute. All right, let's move on to the next one. This one is also Kendra Scott. They've got my number, y'all. They know. Sterling silver and 18 karat gold vermilion jewelry. So this is the Kendra Scott Clove Huggie earrings in gold and Dichroic glass. Dichroic glass. This one is also $68. Y'all, normally you get a little bit of a discount with your pieces, your member prices, but these don't have any discount on them. Maybe because they're Kendra Scott. So, I was washing them out. I hope you can see them. But they just have that little bit, y'all, it matches the one I just had on. How crazy is that? Me. What are the odds? Probably because I kept it from Rocksbox. And they're like, oh, let's send her the matching earrings. And she'll have to keep those too. You know how that goes. Everything is sanitized before it comes to you. I lost it. You know, the girls catch everything. Okay. Anyway, everything is sanitized before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about germs. And you can just pop them in. They're cute. Oh, look at that. That's adorable. It's so, I'm so tempted because I've got the matching piece. And that's why they sent it to me. But I wonder why they didn't send me these when they sent me that necklace. That's a little curious to me, but okay. Moving on, we've got something from Rudiment. And my price sheet fell down, and now Callie's in my lap. Oh, it's a ring! Y'all, it says Leo. You know I'm a Leo. I did keep the Zodiac necklace too, so that's probably why. And I think this was actually on my wish list. Because I don't wear a lot of rings, but I kind of wish I did. So it says Leo. How cute is that? It's just dainty, cute little ring. They do ask you your ring size. Apparently I gave them the one for my middle finger. Rudiment Zodiac Ring in Leo. Originally $60. My price would be $51. Oh, I want to keep everything. I have a member discount of $9. If I buy all 3 pieces, I get $10 off, but it would still be $177. Now I have $26 in credit, I think. I still don't need to keep all this. Y'all help me out. What should I do? Should I keep any of it? Should I just wear it for a little while, enjoy it, and send it back? Oh, so cute. I like all the pieces. So cute. I hope it focuses on it. Just a dainty little ring. All right, so y'all comment below. Let me know what you think about all this jewelry, what I should keep, what I should just enjoy and send back, what you like, don't like, all that good stuff. I love to hear it all. And I would love it if while you were down there, you'd press the notification bell, press that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends. And yeah, y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.